Welcome to this video explaining why animal welfare should be considered as a valid science. Animals and humans have lived alongside one another for thousands of years. We use animals for production of food and clothing, agriculture, as manual labour, for transportation, entertainment, including hunting and sport, as guards or companions, and finally in scientific research. But how well do we treat the animals in our care? More importantly, how do these animals experience our care? These questions are the focus of animal welfare science. Animal welfare is an interdisciplinary field crossing the boundaries between biology, social science, ethics, economics, and politics. Animal welfare science explores an animal's quality of life, including both the negative and positive experiences of animals. People have very different opinions about what is normal and acceptable when it comes to the treatment of animals. This can be due to cultural differences, religion, their personal experiences with animals, and just differences between people. So when we need to decide how we should treat animals, it is important that there is scientific research that can show what is objectively better for the animal's health and well-being. In order to improve the welfare of animals worldwide, animal welfare research needs to take place. How can science find out whether animals have good or bad welfare? Much of the research focuses on how we can reduce negative experiences by looking at what animals don't like. But we can also look at positive experiences and ask questions like, are they happy? Do they have life worth living? To find out if an animal is suffering, different responses can be measured that will show scientists the level of stress or pain an animal is in. These responses can be physiological, like when heart rate goes up, body temperature rises, or certain hormone levels such as cortisol increase. Brain activity can also be observed through imaging technologies as certain areas of the brain light up when an animal is experiencing stress or pain. Finally, the behavior of an animal is extremely important as animals show specific and different types of behavior when they are stressed or in pain. But how can we measure the positive experiences? For example, a certain type of test, called a preference test, is used to find what animals would prefer if they have to choose out of two different options. Behavior is important for measuring positive welfare too, as animals only show certain types of behavior, such as play, when they are comfortable or in a positive state. All this research into the negative and positive experiences of animals creates a guide to improving animal welfare and help explain how animals should be treated. In conclusion, animal welfare is a complex field, but in order to improve animal welfare, scientific evidence is vital. Without science, we would not know how an animal feels about the environment it is in and have no evidence to base our decisions on.